Welcome back, guys. It's your girl Elle, and we are having another exciting adventure.
That's such a natural.
The magazine.
I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. Say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on.
So what's the history?
So basically the history is based the apartheid government. Apartheid here.
Yeah.
And normally what they would do is they would do, the non-whites, they would move out of the city.
Oh.
Out of the city. But this was one of the, basically the areas that's in the city that remained here basically. Okay? A few years ago they actually wanted to trash all these buildings.
Really?
Yeah, they wanted to basically create a hotel.
Oh, wow.
And basically the residents of this area, they fought to basically keep this area here, and we still can actually enjoy this area. We're gonna start against this backdrop, and then we're gonna work our way.
Okay, cool. Thanks. All right, guys, so we are in Bo-Kaap right now, very historical place here in Cape Town, and your girl, we got us a lovely photographer, Miss Kristen. I will drop her details in the description, so check her out. Yeah, let's make some magic happen.
Today, you can pop your bag there as well.
Okay. All right, let's see what Carla got going on over here.
That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna get some tasting going on there.
Okay.
What you got going on, Carla girl?
Cameras here. How many cameras are here? You just get that t-shirt in. Ooh, that is beautiful. See that? You see, but the madness works twice the process.
There's a method to the madness.
Okay, so you're looking at me. A nice blooper though.
This one is quick, maybe by tomorrow.
That's it. That's
Such a natural.
the magazine. Sorry.
Okay, so decided to save some cash and do the lease press on. They're real cute or whatever. But one popped off during the shoot. It's gone. And my feet hurts. So yes. We're back to the flats for now. Huh? Alright guys. Just love the colors. Can't wait to see the pictures because they're gonna really pop. I know it. Cause we already popping. Like what? Also guys, hold on. Why y'all didn't tell me the camera was blurry? What kind of friend are you? Talking to my supporters. But yeah, people still live in these homes. So it's not just for photography, people live in these homes. Like I see them coming in and out. Look at this. Got the feed going.
Want this spot to do you?
Yeah, you can get this spot. She got him. I can't wait to see that. Alright. And that's lion head, right?
Yes, this is lion's head.
Ah. Lion's head. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we are now in the city part of Bo-Kaap. Getting some pics in. Totally have a love-hate relationship with these boots. Totally. They say pain is beauty, so we're gonna see what these pictures do. Faith. Keep the faith, people. Alright guys, photo shoot done. So we're just kind of exploring the area right now, looking for a nice place to eat. We were gonna go to Table Mountain, but it's too late. The last up is 6:30 and it's almost 7 o'clock. It's 41? So photographer worked overtime. What's that?
That's Sweeties.
I don't know. Let's go see. She worked overtime, so I'm definitely going to include her information so you guys can check her out if you're ever in South Africa for sure. Alright.
I'm going to cross the street, like right here. Like right here.
Alright guys, we have made it to Bree Street, so if you're ever here in the city area, huh? I don't know, we was just all in the streets. We were just all in the streets. Yeah. So we're on Bree Street. So Bree Street has a lot of different like restaurants that serve like, you know, like bar vibes, bar lounge vibes. So let's see what it's all about. The place we're at now is called what is this? La Parada. They serve tapas and drinks. So we're gonna have some tapas and drinks.
Alright, so got some prawn cakes and a prawn pasta. Looking good. Let's see if it tastes good. Where'd you put your drink?
She didn't bring it frozen.
She didn't bring it out.
She brought it out, but it wasn't frozen.
Oh.
I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smells good.